Easy Speak app English learning, practice conversation with AI. So this is one of those new apps in this category where you can learn with AI. So this is one of those apps where you will just have some kind of AI bot which looks quite like realistic and which can speak to you in the language. So, and then you can get pronunciation scores and practice real conversations with AI bot, which, like 2 years ago, it was really bad quality, but now it's getting better and better. And it's actually super good for basic conversations. So talk with personal AI tutor, master core words, progress at a glance, and that's kind of the idea. So then you can just double click to install it. And yeah, that's kind of the idea. EasySpeak is the #1 English learning app designed to help you speak English with confidence, engage in real-time speaking scenarios to practice job interviews, presentation, meetings, and more. Practice pronunciation and words by joining our community of 3 million happy users. Improve English communication, personalized learning paths, instant feedback, and AI coach for conversation, real-life conversation practice. Enhance global collaboration, get unlimited access with EasySpeak Premium. And then you can just open it up, and then you can just start. Feedback can improve. 3-day free trial is enabled. And then you can just see it in here. Super, because there's also some sale. So this is how It's kind of the idea. You see the onboarding here.
Hello, I'm Ava, your AI tutor.
Then just select the tutor, speaking speed, and that's kind of the idea. And then they will just put you on, that you can start now, and then you will eventually need to pay. And then here you see free trial, or so as you can see there is a free trial, and then $10 per week, so it's not quite cheap, or unlock with $50 per year. That's a more realistic price for this.
Hi.
And then you can just start learning, practice, for example, and then you can just start like that.
Hi. Am I speaking with Andrew? This is Ava calling from Innovate Corp. Is this a good time for a brief chat?
So you can see you can now just add this kind of full screen and start speaking like that. You can also access camera. Quite cool. Yeah, so that's interesting app and this interesting thing you have. So yeah, that's just what you have, and there you have it.